Guest experience. Nagustuhan mo ba ang pagkain? Did you like the food? Maraming tanawin dito na magaganda. There are many beautiful sights here. May malapit na parke rito. There's a nearby park here. Ano ang masasabi mo sa paligid? What can you say about the surroundings? Ililibot kita. I'll show you around. Malapit lang ang palengke rito. The market is just nearby. Saying goodbye. Salamat sa oras mo. Thank you for your time. Salamat sa pagbisita. Thank you for visiting. Hanggang sa muli. Until next time. Sana makabalik ka ulit. I hope you can come back again. Ingat sa biyahe. Have a safe trip. Salamat sa paglalaan ng oras. Thank you for taking the time. Pakiusap, huwag kang mahiya. Please, don't be shy. Pasensya na sa abala. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sana nagustuhan mo ang pagkain. I hope you like the food. Huwag kang mag-alala. Don't worry. Talking about the place. Malamig ba sa lugar nyo? Is it cold in your place? Maganda ba ang lugar natin? Do you find this place beautiful? Gusto mo bang bumalik rito? Would you like to come back here? Alagaan mo ang sarili mo. Take care of yourself. Huwag mong kalimutang tumawag. Don't forget to call. Pasensya na kung may hindi ka nagustuhan. Sorry if there's anything you didn't like. Kumusta ang pagtulog mo kagabi? How was your sleep last night? Anong masasabi mo sa lugar namin? What can you say about my place? Kumusta ang pagbisita mo? How was your visit? May gusto ka bang iparating sa kanila? Do you have any message for them? Anong masasabi mo sa mga tao rito? What can you say about the people here? Greetings and introductions. Sana naging komportable ka rito. I hope you felt comfortable here. Salamat sa pagbisita. Thank you for visiting. Pasok po kayo. Please, come in. Maupo po kayo. Please, have a seat. Maligayang pagdating. Welcome. Kumusta? How are you? Ako si. I am. Ikaw ba si? Are you? Kumusta ang biyahe mo? How is your trip? Ikinagagalak kitang makilala. Nice to meet you. Anong gusto mong inumin? What would you like to drink? Salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you for coming. Saan ka galing? Where did you come? Dito ka ba matutulog? Will you stay here overnight? Ilang oras ang biyahe mo? How many hours is your trip? May kasama ka ba? Do you have company? Kailan ka babalik? When will you be back? Ilan ba kayo? How many are you? Tara, ipapakilala kita sa kanila. Come, I'll introduce you to them. Offering help. Gusto mo bang maiinom? Do you want something to drink? May kailangan ka ba? Do you need anything? Komportable ka ba? Are you comfortable? Pwede kang umupo rito. You can sit here. Gusto mo bang kumain? Would you like to eat? Sabihin mo lang kung may kailangan ka. Just tell me if you need anything. Anong gusto mong kainin? What do you like to eat? Huwag kang mahihiya. Don't be shy. Pwede kitang tulungan. I can help you. Gusto mo bang subukan? Would you like to try? Magpahinga ka muna. Take a rest. Pwede kitang samahan. I can accompany you. Gusto mo bang mamasyal? Would you like to go for a walk? Making conversation. Gaano katagal ka rito? How long will you be here? Naghanda kami para sa'yo. We prepared for you. Narito lang ako kung may kailangan ka. I'm just here if you need anything. Ano ang trabaho mo? What is your job? Marunong ka bang magluto? Do you know how to cook? May mga kapatid ka ba? Do you have siblings? Ilang taon ka na? How old are you? Mahilig ka ba sa sports? Do you like sports? Ano ang paborito mong lugar? What is your favorite place? Giving directions. Dito ang banyo. The bathroom is here. Makakaya mo kaya? Can you make it? Sundan mo ako. Follow me. Doon ang kusina. The kitchen is over there. Sa kaliwa ka. Turn left. Sa kanan ka. Turn right. Nasa itaas iyon. It's upstairs. Diretso lang. Just go straight. Dito ka lang maghintay. Just wait here. Nasa ibaba iyon. It's downstairs. Malapit na tayo. We're almost there. Doon tayo dadaan. We will pass through there. Diyan lang sa may kanto. It's just across the street. Tumawid ka sa kalsada. Cross the street. Pwedeng maglakad ka lang. You can just take a walk. Hanapin natin ang daan. Let's find a way. Madali lang ito hanapin. It's easy to find. Mag-ingat sa pagtawid. Be careful when crossing. Ituturo ko sa iyo ang daan. I'll show you the way. Expressing gratitude and politeness. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Pasensya ka na. Sorry. Patawarin mo ako. Please forgive me. Pasensya na kung magulo. Sorry if it's messy. Walang anuman. You're welcome.